Hello, and welcome to this ScriptEasy training video. In this video, we're going to show you the basic scripting techniques that will allow you to configure your remote control unit to alert personnel on out-of-tolerance conditions at the site, or to make automatic corrective actions as desired. For this video, we will assume that you have already configured your site in the software and added the list of equipment that you're going to monitor, along with information on how many analog inputs, status inputs, and relay control outputs each will use. The cabling connections must be configured so the software knows where to find each of the physical inputs and outputs connected to the unit. And the analog voltage inputs must be calibrated to provide accurate readings. Now it is time to open the Script Designer. You'll start with a blank page, but don't worry, all of the inputs and outputs that you have configured on the site, all of your physical I/O are available in this palette menu on the left, grouped by the piece of equipment with which they're associated. You have status inputs, relay control outputs, and analog voltage inputs, which are available in both a 3-state and a 5-state version. The palette menu also contains objects that you can use to modify the operation of the script, including logic gates like AND gates and exclusive ORs, a logic latch, a repeater element, delay timers and pulse timers, and a sophisticated calendar and scheduler. There are two types of user controls, one that acts like a toggle switch and another that acts like a momentary push button. There are alarm functions, an object that can be used to ping another piece of equipment on the network, and embedded system objects like CPU temperature and hard drive usage. Each object in the script has one or more little tabs on it, which indicate the logic connections. Some objects have logic outputs, some have inputs, many have both. Each object in the script also has many properties associated with it, which can be seen in the Properties panel on the right-hand side of the page. The Properties panel allows you to modify the behavior of the object. For example, on an analog voltage input, this is where you set the thresholds between the different states or ranges of the reading. The reading on the object controls which of the logic outputs is active in real time. If you'd like to send an alarm when an analog value goes into its high range, select the alarm object from the palette menu, connect it to the high range logic output of the analog reading, give the alarm a name that's meaningful, and decide if the alarm is going to send an email, generate a text message, and/or make a voice phone call. If it is desirable to delay the activation of the alarm, simply insert a delay timer into the logic path. The amount of delay can be set in the Properties panel. For a simple user control, for example to turn a transmitter on and off, push action buttons are ideal. Add one button for each function and connect them to the relay outputs that actually control the transmitter. More information is available in our other videos. Thanks for watching.